Hello, thanks for joining me for today's Lunch and Learn. I'm Keith Armour, the Adult Learning and Literacy Manager. Well, it's January 2024, and a lot of times people are wondering what to do. The holidays are behind you, it's getting cold, the days are getting shorter. Well, we've got a challenge for you. It's called the Winter Checkout Challenge. It's in its 5th year, and I'm going to show you how you can participate. Well, all right, we are here at our website, chpl.org, and it's Winter Checkout Challenge time. It started earlier this week. The library had nothing to do with the cold weather, but it is a perfect time to do the Winter Checkout Challenge. There is currently on our website a nice blog about this, but if you're checking out the website later on, and you don't see this blog, you want to check out over here in the blue banner at the very bottom. It says Winter Checkout Challenge. I'm going to click right here. The Winter Checkout Challenge, it's in its 5th year, and it is just for adults 18 and older. We do a really big summer program for children and also teens, and this one's just for our adult customers. Now, you can start by going to one of our 41 locations, and you can get a tracker. I'm going to show you that right here. In the comfort of your own home, you could print it out. Here's a tracker that has all sorts of different things, and once you get 5 things finished, you can come back and get one of these nice mugs. If you stop by our branches, our 41 locations across Hamilton County, you would then start by picking up one of these nice Winter Checkout Challenge totes, and that is while supplies last. They go pretty quickly, so you want to get in there as quickly as you can. Here are some of the challenges, and I'm not going to read all of them, but these are our challenges for 2024. You complete 5, and then you get one of those mugs, and then there might be some other prizes. You never know. There's lots of different things here. It gives you a lot of information. Of course, you can sign up for Signing Savvy, and you can check out a different sign language, a word for the day. You could sign up for Hot Authors. That's a really great way if you have a favorite author that you could sign up, and every time they have a new book, you are put on the wait list right away. Of course, you could always check out a book, an ebook or an e-audio book through Libby. Checking out you can check out a book that's outside the United States. You can even put together a budget using Weiss Financial. These are all things that we've talked about during lunch and learns before that have all the different features. So if you didn't know where Weiss Financial, you just could copy Weiss Financial and just come right back up here. And instead of using the catalog, you click here to website, and then you just paste that Weiss Financial in, and it will take you directly to Weiss Financial Ratings. So any of those things that are on the Winter Checkout Challenge, if you don't know where they are on the website, you can easily search for them using that method. Same thing with Freegal, and that's where you can get free music. You could use our own app to check out materials. You could even recommend a book to a family or a friend. And you could even watch a movie. There's lots of different movies like on Canopy and Hoopla. And you could even learn a new language. Maybe you're planning on going somewhere in 2024. A Transparent Language has over 100 languages that you can learn for free. And it also has an app that you can hook up to your free account through the library. The librarians have done such a great job putting together some cozy winter reads here, just a small sampling of the many books that we have under that category. And then, of course, you can view all. There's winter romance. There's comfort cooking. I definitely would love to see this one right here, Rosie's Baking Basics. All sorts of books here. Indoor hobbies. There's all sorts of different indoor hobbies here that you could check out. And remember, it's so easy. You just click on it and it will take you directly to the catalog, and then you can figure out what book or what material you want. And then you can check out the Chiller Thriller. You have to love that title. And you can, of course, follow us on social media as well. Winter Checkout Challenge, 5th year, 2024. It started earlier this week. Definitely check it out. Go to our website, chpl.org, and then go right down the blue banner to the Winter Checkout Challenge. Enjoy the weather, stay warm, and visit your local library in the Cincinnati-Hamilton County Library System. All right, the Winter Checkout Challenge started January the 16th and runs all the way to February the 26th. Now, you can start your challenge by going to one of our 41 locations, picking up a Winter Checkout Challenge tote, so you can check out books and put it right there in the tote. And once you have finished 5 challenges, you can pick up one of those nice mugs that I showed you. All right, see you next time for another Lunch Learn. Bye-bye.